Welcome to Auto Focus Review, the ultimate place for car enthusiasts who love exploring the latest and greatest vehicles. Today, we have something legendary, something rugged, and something that embodies adventure like no other. Get ready, because we're diving deep into the 2025 Jeep Wrangler, JK, a beast built to conquer the wild while still offering modern luxury. If you're a fan of power, durability, and off-road excellence, this is the video for you. So, buckle up and let's get rolling. A legacy reborn. The Jeep Wrangler has been a symbol of freedom and adventure for decades. But what makes the 2025 Jeep Wrangler, JK, stand out? Well, Jeep has taken everything we love about the Wrangler and made it even better. It's tougher, smarter, and more refined than ever before. While it stays true to its iconic roots, it also embraces the future with advanced technology, improved aerodynamics, and a more comfortable ride without sacrificing its off-road capabilities. Performance and power. Under the hood, the 2025 Wrangler JK offers a range of engine options, ensuring there's a perfect fit for every adventurer. Whether you prefer the tried-and-true 3.6L V6 Pentastar, the turbocharged 2.0L four-cylinder, or even the plug-in hybrid for XE variant, there's an engine ready to tackle your next journey. And let's not forget the Rubicon 392, yes, a V8 powerhouse that roars with unmatched intensity. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission, this Wrangler guarantees an exhilarating ride both on and off the road. Unmatched off-road capabilities. No Jeep Wrangler review is complete without talking about its off-road dominance. The 2025 Wrangler JK is built with rock-solid axles, high ground clearance, and Jeep's legendary 4x4 system. It can crawl over boulders, wade through rivers, and power through the toughest trails with ease. Equipped with Trulock electronic locking differentials, sway bar disconnect, and heavy-duty skid plates, this machine is unstoppable. Whether you're tackling Moab's rocky terrain or cruising through a muddy forest, this Jeep makes every adventure an unforgettable thrill. Tech meets toughness. Yes, it's rugged. Yes, it's powerful. But the 2025 Wrangler JK is also incredibly smart. Inside, you'll find a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a massive touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Jeep has also integrated advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and even a forward-facing off-road camera to help you navigate tricky trails. It's a perfect blend of classic adventure and modern convenience. Interior and comfort. While the exterior screams adventure, the interior welcomes you with surprising luxury. Premium materials, weather-resistant upholstery, and heated seats make it a comfortable ride for both city drives and off-road expeditions. There's also ample cargo space, and the removable doors and roof mean you can still experience that open-air freedom that makes the Wrangler so special. Final thoughts. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler, JK, isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's built for those who crave adventure, who dare to push limits, and who refuse to be confined to paved roads. Whether you're a hardcore off-roader or just someone who appreciates the perfect blend of power, style, and technology, this Wrangler delivers on every front. So, what do you think of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler, JK? Are you ready to take it for a spin? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Focus Review for more exciting car content. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep exploring.